Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the Catog Automation. Catog Automation is a comprehensive and automation framework designed to give AI agents full programmatic control over a computer's operating system and applications. Built with Rust and Tauri, it provides robust bridge between high-level AI reasoning and low-level system interaction. The core capabilities of this are capable of using um, Windows management, input simulation, UI element detection, natural language processing, visual workflow builder. And this is how we can be able to use this. First, I did configure the AMD GPU for that. We'll be using this Qwen3VL to be instruct for the vision model, and the AI coder for the Catog automation is Qwen 3.535B A3B. So let's test. Okay, it's working. Now here we can be able to input an MCP server if we wanted to automate a specific task like documents or an Excel, etc. And here are the skills where we can be able to automate skill based on the program system. So we'll be using add skill, and I have few here that I've saved some skills, but later we'll be using that. For now, I'm going to use the program. Program states for the program application installed here in the Mac. So let's try Google Chrome. Google Chrome to automate things for us. So this is our Google. Okay, that's the Google Chrome, and we'll be using another one. So this one will be the prompt to utilize the Google Chrome. So we just need to connect that, and we need to put a guidance for it to be able to utilize the Google Chrome. So let's say navigate to blub.ai. Let's try running the application. Okay. Now, what happens in the background is the AI vision model captures the entire screen and send back to the AI agent coder. In that way, the AI agent coder can be able to utilize what are the steps it needs in order for the task to be executed. How about the programs? No, this is not limited to browser task only. We need to utilize other program. So, for example, let's say we'll be using a notepad. Just the basic things that we can be able to do. Let's just erase that and notes and prompt and be able to connect that, and let's say create a short story inside the notes, a funny story. Now what will this do? What the AI do is it will open again the program, and then it will write a funny story based on the AI instruction that I give. So I will run the again program. Now it opens the note, and as you can see, you can be able to see here on the workflow output the current progress of the AI agent. As you can see, it is verified. It's already launched. Now it needs to create a short story inside the notes, a funny story. So what it is done, it's still using the visual. Okay, so yeah. So as you can see, it's yes, it did be able to determine the short story, but okay. So that's the workflow 5. Now I want this to be integrated. Now I want this to be automated in my Telegram, which means if I will be using an app, I will be using my phone, and I want to control my computer based on the automation that I already prepared for. It can be able to do that. So first, let's go and grab our Telegram key information. First, I did create a new boot, AMD Hackathon and AMD 2026 boots, and get this. This is very important, okay, to get that token. So now that we go to the Telegram, we just need to input the credentials, and we just need to input the username on your Telegram or the ID that you have. So let's just save the Telegram. Okay, it says it needs to send a message in order to use. So let's just say, let's start. Okay. Okay. Now it did send the start to the Catog Automation. Now every time that I send a message into this, it will send back. Okay. It will send back to the Telegram. So which means we can be able a lot of things in our computer with our automated skill. So let's say, give me the list of recorded workflow. Uh, Now we want to ensure that this list are are safe, and we need to ensure that it is working. So here are the list. We'll give you the list of the created skill, and now let's try to power the workflow 5. So execute the workflow 5. Now we will be able to see if this one is working. If we can be able to use that. So execute the workflow 5. Now it navigates again to the browser. Since we didn't close that, it will now navigate to the existing browser that is currently open. Now it will do the work, the same task, um, based on the things that you instructed the AI for, on the programs that you created, the same workflow, vision model, AI coder. So it will do the screenshot, navigate to that, and then give you the result. Now, as I always say that this is not limited into this. I just wanted to show and how you can be able to create much more on this. We can integrate a different program, a different files. Yeah, but it still need an improvement. For now, it is currently works in Mac OS. The Windows and Linux are currently in development. Mac OS is currently working perfectly. So, but not that perfect. Just a few. Okay, so it gives us again the automation based on what we did, what we asked for, and yeah, that's how it works. Now it will give us all application launch the same recorded. Now we need to see if it's already done. No, it's already executed. As you can see, it's already executed, and we can be able to see that the work for completed. Is there anything else you'd like me to help you? Okay, so that's one of the capabilities of this. Now, it has the ability to execute all the save workflow, which you are the one who created them. You just need to, uh, you just need to make the AI agent work on a specific program, and then you can have it automate things. Uh, and so that's the Catog automation. Thank you.